Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox in your Windows device. I have a Windows device, but this can be installed in different operating systems. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do it. As always, I'm going to explain everything step by step, and I will also leave the links respectively in the comment section so you guys can check it out instead of actually doing the research yourself. So I'll just go ahead and go to it. So what we need to do first of all is just go to Google, and we're going to search VirtualBox. It's just one word, and the first result should be the one we're looking for. So as you guys can see, it's by Oracle, and it can be installed in different operating systems. So what we're going to do is just go directly to download, and in here you guys are going to see that it has different platform packages. This means that it can be installed on different operating systems, as I mentioned. So we have Windows host, we have OS X, which is Mac OS, and we also have different Linux distributions. But since we're using Windows, what we're gonna do is just go here, and it will automatically download the version 6.1.26. So I'm just gonna wait a few more seconds, and we can just click there if you guys are using Chrome, or you can just search it on your downloads or where the downloads are actually saved. By default, it's in your downloads folder. Okay, once you have executed the program, we're just going to be ready to install it, and the wizard is pretty simple, just like any other setup wizards. We're just going to next, and then next again. You can just leave it like this, and it says it's going to temporarily disconnect you from the network. That should be fine, because it will be automatically reconnect. So we're just going to install it. There you go. So it's asking us if we want to install it. You may need to approve that if you see like a pop-up window. So we're just going to wait until the setup is finished, and just a few more seconds here, and there you go. So we're just going to go to finish, and then is opening right now. There you go. So this is VirtualBox basically, and what we basically do here is have different operating systems in case you guys want to test new things, or you are interested in different operating systems, how they look or how to interact with them, then you can do that here. You can actually install different operating systems, and not only Windows but also Linux. So I'll go ahead and upload a video to teach you guys how to create a virtual machine. We're going to go with different operating systems, but if you guys would like to see one specifically, guys let me know in the comments. Again, the links will be in the description below. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and